Hi, I'm Brian Pfeiffer, aka the Marketing Meathead, and today I'm going to address the elephant in the room with Facebook affiliate marketing. All right, welcome back. Please read the disclaimer. Not really talking about money today, but definitely something good to have on every video for those of you who are YouTubers. And thank you for all the new subscriptions. I put out a video yesterday. It went kind of viral, and a lot of new subscribers, and I appreciate you guys. My channel's growing nicely. I think we broke 600 subs today, and it's growing at a fairly fast pace. I'm going to continue to put out good content. Today is one of those days. I don't have a lot of time to shoot a video here. I've been trying to get it done all day, and everything just keeps coming up. I have some appointments tonight. But at the end of the day, I really wanted to get this video out because, you know, before you guys make any moves online, buying any products right now, I did see, I follow some other YouTubers, and a couple guys that were mentors of mine are getting ready to put out a product on Facebook affiliate marketing. And I just wanted you guys to know that I have a product ready for Facebook affiliate marketing, and I've put the launch on hold. Facebook has changed the game in the last like 3 to 4 weeks. Ever since Zuckerberg went in front of Congress, they've definitely tightened the, I guess the tightened down the bat, or whatever you want to call it, tightened the restrictions, I guess is a better word, for the affiliate marketing guys on Facebook. We've been successfully running Facebook ads for probably about over 3 years now. We've made a couple $1 million in Facebook affiliate marketing, and right now we cannot keep an account open for more than a day. We can't even get an account to get approved. Sometimes we'll set up our ads, and they shut down the account before we even can like get approval on the ads. And this is stuff that we were running like less than 3 or 4 weeks ago. And in, I think it was April, we made about like 25K in profit. In March, we made about 30K in profit. Running these same exact ads, completely compliant, white hat offers. We're running insurance, we're running debt, basically stuff that should be okay to run, and we cannot get Facebook to even keep an account open for more than like a day right now. So I'm going to put a link to this video that I'm running right now on the screen. This is a video put out by Facebook talking about how they're going to be cleaning up the actual platform itself. And I wanted to shoot this video because I went to see the movie Solo. It was like on Monday night, I think, and I'm watching the previews. I was there a little bit early, and all of a sudden a preview comes up, but it wasn't a preview for a movie. It was a preview with basically a commercial for Facebook, and they showed all, you know, how Facebook was, you know, connecting people and fun and this and that, and then the whole theme of the actual preview from Facebook was that they're cleaning up the clickbait, the fake news, you know, everything that's basically made Facebook what it is today, as far as like guys like us advertising on Facebook. They're trying to like eliminate that from the platform. So, you know, when you start going to the movies and seeing an ad for Facebook talking about how they're going to clean up the platform, and, you know, with artificial intelligence these days and whatnot that they have, they're really cracking down on affiliate marketing on Facebook. So be very leery of buying anything right now that is pushing affiliate marketing on Facebook. I just wanted to give you guys I want to show you all something here. This is one of my masterminds, and I'm in a number of masterminds that I pay a lot of money for. In fact, this one was, let me see, I had it pulled up, but it's gone right now. Let me see if I can find it here while I'm talking. But anyway, this is one of my masterminds, and it was a guy that was making like 50K a day in this mastermind. 50K a day, okay? So this is like the real deal, man. This is like the affiliates that you like hear about, but you don't hear about, you know? I mean, this is the kind of guy that's not going to share his secrets, you know, with anybody but, you know, paid members of a mastermind. And, you know, basically he was saying that, you know, even him right now, whatever he was doing, I'm sure he was cloaking with probably some kind of neutral offer, and he was just killing it. And even him, he's having to back off right now. He's like, it's really bad. They're shutting down accounts left and right. And, you know, let's see if I can find it here. So it's across the board. From what I'm seeing in my two masterminds, I have two masterminds that I pay for, and it's all like professional affiliates. I mean, me and my team and I, and then these guys. Some of these groups have like 10, 15, 20 guys in it, and we're professionals. I mean, we're guys that have consistently done 30, 50, 40K a month in revenue, sometimes even in profit. I've had a 100K a month before. Okay, so we know what we're doing. We know how to run ads. We understand the game. We understand the traffic source. We definitely know how to do this. I mean, we're not newbies, okay? And we're having a hard time. Like everybody in the group, it's the same thing. It's like across the board. Nobody's able to keep accounts open right now. Facebook is just absolutely cracking down, and it's just really frustrating for all of us. I mean, we're all like fighting the same battle against them. The fact of the matter is, I want to be very transparent with you guys. I got a lot of new subscribers out here that don't know me. I would never put out a product, honestly, that is not working. I even told my team, my business partner and I, we spent the whole month of April filming the product. It's an 8-week course. We put it all into Teachable. We put nice bumpers on the videos. We spent a lot of time with the PowerPoint presentations for the course. It's a very well done course. In fact, this is my 5th course right now, and it is the best one we've ever done. And I was really excited to put it out. I was going to do a big launch, and boom, this happens. So, if you guys know anything about me, man, I'm a very ethical business person. I have a full-time business in Las Vegas, and in Chicago, I own part of a nightclub, and I own a couple big events. And I've always run my businesses very ethically. I've never, ever got to the point where I've owed anybody money. If I do, I pay them back as soon as I possibly can. Here's what I wanted to show you guys. So this is from this guy David. Hey guys, Nicholas added me yesterday. I was a little bit busy. Introduced myself. Running 50 to 100K day a spend a day, 50 to 100K a day. Last 1.5 week, only 5 to 10K on Facebook, Google, and other native sources. I'm running BHGH most of the time and have a huge credit lines. And lately I've got a lot of accounts flagged, low budgets with no aggressive ads, all same thing that's happening to us. And I had to pause a little bit until Facebook calms down. So the moral of the story is here, guys, this is a guy that's spending 50 to 100K a day. That's even above the level that we're at, pretty high. And he's part of our mastermind group here that we paid for. And Facebook's running ads in the movie theaters, talking about clickbait and cleaning up the platform. Pretty much anything with an affiliate link on it right now, you're not going to be able to run on Facebook. I mean, literally, like their AI detects it and shuts down your account immediately. You appeal it, they just say, sorry, you can't do anything, and you're pretty screwed. So I want you guys to know that I'm, being very transparent with you guys. If you guys listen to any other YouTubers out there, I'm not going to name the guys that are talking about this right now because I do respect them, and I have learned a lot from 2 of the guys. But they are talking about, coming out with a new product, and it is supposed to be on Facebook with, ClickBank products. And there's proof, okay? I just showed you guys proof from guys that are professional affiliate marketers, including us. And I'm telling you straight up, right now, we cannot run on Facebook, okay? They're not letting us. I mean, they're pretty much like shutting us down as much as they can. So until I find a workaround, until I have my coders, pull some shenanigans and we figure out a way to work around this temporary defeat, I guess, if you will, we are not going to be launching our product. And, it's unfortunate. I really wanted to do a big launch. I wanted to make it evergreen. I wanted to launch it on multiple platforms. I mean, we were making a lot of money. I mean, I was confident going out there showing you guys how to make 25 to 30 grand a month because we actually were doing that. I mean, it was actually real numbers that I'm showing you guys on my YouTube videos. And unfortunately, right now, we're shut down. I mean, we're switching over to native ads right now. We're going to be running some native ads, trying to get some revenue going again. We are still going to, pursue Facebook. We're going to figure it out. It's just a matter of time right now. And this happened a couple years ago. They pretty much nuked all our business managers, and then they kind of backed off, and we were able to run for like the last year and a half without too many issues. Because we run white hat. We actually run offers that are like not really bad. I mean, we car insurance. We run, funeral insurance. We run debt repair. Stuff like that. That's not like against the terms of service of Facebook at all. So it's just unfortunate right now that we're going through this with Facebook. I think it's just a temporary defeat, And stay tuned to my channel. I'll keep you guys abreast of what's going on. And I hope you guys appreciate me being transparent here. Just be real leery of anybody pushing Facebook affiliate marketing right now. I think they're even shutting down guys that are running like physical products and stuff like that. It's just really tough right now to be running ads on Facebook because of their new rules or whatever. So we'll figure it out. We'll get back to you guys as soon as we get it figured out, and we'll keep you abreast. By the way, if you guys are paying attention to the market right now, crypto is going on a little bit of a run right now. It appears. I'm actually having a real nice day in the crypto market, so hopefully it continues and it's sustained. I did a video yesterday talking about the 6th of June, maybe a trend reversal, and we might be seeing something right now. So keep an eye out on that if you're into the crypto stuff. And if you do like what I shared today, I hope you guys would give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, bang that notifications bell, and leave a comment below. If you guys have figured something out on Facebook that I'm missing, I would love to know how you guys are keeping accounts open, because we cannot keep an account open more than a day, and it's very frustrating right now. So I am the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to everybody later. Thank you.